I'm gonna do a short review of some of my teaching tools that I have set up. I have the soft step pedal, Keith McMillon soft step 2, and this has come in handy for playing some drums during class. You can trigger these pedals to do anything you want. You're limited only by your brain. But what I've got is, so I've got down as bass and up as snare, and I just have to, I'll play along, So I can drum to about anything while I'm playing, which turns out pretty good during class for just elementary stuff. And you're limited by your brain on how you can use it. The way I've got that set up is using mainstage on the computer. Each one of these buttons triggers a drum, and then you attach the drum to the pedal itself, and that's how that's working. So it's working out pretty good. I can go into another video about how to actually attach those to the Keith McMillon pedal. Should anyone be interested, I can do a video over that. But it's certainly fun to do during class, teaching elementary music.